Hey, welcome to part two of our library infographic creation using Canva. So as part of section one, we talked about what makes a good library infographic in general. We've created our infographic. It has a top to bottom reading order. It has full sentences of content so that it can be read and also looked at, but without implying things, we've actually written out the words that we mean for each one of these items. And we've made sure through basic accessibility checks that we have contrast, that we have good font size, and that we have the other pieces that we need to be able to print it in the right way. We've also added alt text to our images, and we've made sure that all of our content is text and not images of text. So this 2025 is actually 2025 in text box. It is not an image of the numbers 2025. So picking up from there, we are going to begin looking at the steps that we need to take to tell to set the logical reading order for our document in order to tell a screen reader how to interpret and read through the document. So we are going to begin with the layering and the setting the logical order. Canva is first of all and foremost a graphic design program. It is intended to develop the graphic look of things. And so some of this is not necessarily intuitive to those of us who come from more of um, if you're just a word processing background, we'll put it that way. The first thing that we actually are going to do then is to try to take each one of these elements and assign it to a position that it will be read in a proper reading order. But what happens is you need to think backwards in this piece. And I don't know how else to describe this other than it's upside down world. What is on the top is actually the bottom, and the bottom layer is the top layer. You are probably familiar, we're going to go into the position tool. You are probably most familiar with the position tool as a part of arranging your objects on the page. So you may have aligned an object left, aligned it to the middle, bottom right. You may have aligned different objects to each other. So these two items, you can align them left according with each other. So you're probably familiar with the position tool in that situation. But there's another menu underneath the positions in the larger position menu, and that is the layers menu. Layers describe the order in which these different objects appear on the page. We think they are layered top to bottom, but in this case, we're going to use it to describe the vertical layout or the reading layout. The problem here is that we have to think backwards. As I mouse over or hover over these different objects, you will see that a purple box appears when I hover over. In this case, I'm going to hover over the Wi-Fi uses, and you see a purple box appears over Wi-Fi uses. If I hover over card holders, the purple box appears around card holders. As I scroll down this list, my mouse is, or my selection is jumping all over the page, and I want to make that go in order on the page. However, the order I'm going for in order for the screen reader to interpret it properly is that this 2025 year of impact needs to be the last thing read, and the Menominee library image here is the first thing read, or is not read, but moused. And I still have to think about this a little bit myself. What I'm going to do then, instead of having the 2025 year of impact at the top of my list and the first thing that appears in the purple box, is I'm going to drag this down to the very bottom. And this is the background. This can be at the bottom. It doesn't need to be anywhere special. I'm going to drag that down to the very bottom. And then I want the in 2025, Menominee Public Library had to be the second from the bottom. And continuing, ordering these, so 79,000 is going to be the next thing here, which it is. 969, 9696 for library cards would come after that. 27 is good, 19 is good. Now I'm going to move the 9,834 attendees and then have the library image itself there. So as I scroll down, I'm going to start with the library image, and you notice everything pops up in order, but it's reverse order from what we want as a reading order. Start with that. Let's go on to our second page. Similarly, we want to make sure that we are upside down land. And so we are going to find, let's see, library funding needs to go at the very bottom. Then library revenue, but fixed. You're not locked. Why are you unlocked? There. Okay, position. Move the library revenue. Now I want Menominee revenue to go in there. The green one is next. I want total revenue above the green. Now I'm going to library expenses, explanation of library expenses, and oops, dragging and dropping is always fun. Okay, so now I have page 2. Again, if I mouse over this on this side, it's going to read it in reverse order. It's going to scroll up. Oh, do I have Menominee expenses, revenue. Okay, that means I have my position, my items in order, in reading order. It just happens to be upside down land. Trust me on this one, but trust myself. That means that the layers are explaining what order things are going to be read in. And it does, again, help to have things grouped. If you do need things to be read in a different order within a group, you can further arrange them in here. And that might be something that if we run into it, we might actually need to organize things upside down land here. Oh, make sure. And again, thinking of these upside down programs, 338 attendees at 934. And since the object doesn't matter, that can go there. You may need to check your positioning within the groups to make sure that this is going to be read appropriately. That one looks fine. And this one's going to be out of order. I need to have this one. That's correct. I need the percentage in between. This one, percentage is at the bottom. That is correct then. And finally, this one, percentage is at the bottom, in-person visits. Perfect. Okay, so make sure within your groups, the reading order is also set, or the layer order is set. So that way we have all of our positions and layers correct or laid out in a way. The next piece that we have is an accessibility piece. See, this, just to recap, this is found within the regular publishing menus. You go up to position, arrange layers. It doesn't matter which one you click on, you can get to that position for any of the items just by clicking on an object within your document. The next piece that we're going to look at is called text semantics. Actually, we're going to do one other thing. We're going to check into accessibility, but either way, now we're moving back into our accessibility menu, which we used originally to just check the overall design accessibility. We want to make sure after doing the work on putting things in layer order, we want to have the navigate by layer order item checked here. Now, the last thing we're going to do for accessibility is check these text semantics. So again, under File, Accessibility, Edit Text Semantics. There. This opens up another similar menu to what we just looked at, but this one is where we can set our headings for our documents. And our reading structure for our document. This is a fairly simple infographic. It may not require a lot of heading work, but for navigation purposes, we're going to go ahead and do that anyway in here. The 2025 year of impact is our main title. And so we're going to put this down as a heading 1. A reminder that any document only has one heading 1, and that is synonymous with the title of the document. So if you have a document, it needs to have a heading 1, and which means it has a title, and there's only one title for a document. So everything else will be a title 2. The next thing, notice this is in order here. The next thing that pops up is the in 2025 Menominee Public Library head. I am just going to continue to assign these. They default to paragraph. I'm going to leave all of these as paragraph text. What's really nice at this point is that if you have already grouped all of your items, then you have a paragraph. This is going to read this entire piece here as a single paragraph text. You could create a heading within each of these items by selecting the layer, drop this down, and take the 79,000 and make that a heading. Doesn't make sense in this case, but within your group text, you can set individual headings if you need to. The second page is where I actually want to focus on text semantics, because I think this one makes way more sense to have some headings for. This is basically all paragraph here. Library funding and library revenue makes more sense to have some heading functions. So the library funding is a heading 2 because we've already got one heading 1 and we want to go back to a main idea. The library revenue would be a heading 3 underneath heading 2 because it's a subcategory of heading 1. These, I believe, or I would label the information down below as not headings. This is paragraph text, and again, it defaults to paragraph text. And finally, library expenses would be our other heading 3 to align with the library revenue heading above it. Being such a small, simple infographic, when we test this with the screen reader, we may or may not want to bother with the headings. It might actually just be more navigation challenge than it's worth, or interruption to the reading flow. But we understand here that this is how it would be done. So now we've got our heading structure set, and we have our reading order set through layers. At this point, we're ready to publish our document and see how it behaves with the screen reader. The final key piece with our Canva publication is that we need to publish it as a website a Canva website. We are not going to download this and as a PDF and upload it to our websites. We are going to publish it as a live HTML page. If you do not see this website option here, make sure you click on the See All options and you will see some additional options pop up. We are not looking for the public view link. We want to see the website link. At this point, you click on the website, it brings up what the website URL will be. You can change the slug if you want, but it's going to still call it. It's going to create based on your user account, I believe. It's going to create a website, a URL on that. And then the MPL 2025 annual report is taken directly from the title. I'm fine with that. I'm not going to change it. And this is what the site address will be. If I have any other settings, there's some ideas here. We can hide it from search engines. We can password protect it. We can create a social media link out of it. You can add your description here. And this is brief annual report summary infographic for the Menominee Public Library. And then I'm going to continue to publish this. I'm just going to prepare our design. And now it's going to allow us to view our website. I'm going to copy this and put it into an open browser. And this is what it looks like on your web reader. So you can take this link and upload it to your, and link it to your web page and have this appear similar to how we're doing our SharePoint documents, that it would appear as a view only option. It's just appearing as a website in this case, and it's all done through Canva. I'm going to pause. I'm going to stop my share for a second and restart it so that we can run a screen reader over it and see how a screen reader does and if we need to make any adjustments to it. Share again. I just need to make sure I share sound this time. Okay, so let's start our screen reader. Cross our fingers and see if we did okay.
Loading NVDA. Please wait. Welcome to NVDA dial. Welcome. Okay. MPL 2025 Annual Report Mozilla Firefox. MPL 2025 Annual Report Document. Main landmark. Clickable main landmark. Main landmark. Clickable year of heading level 1. Impact heading level 1 2025. Heading level 1 in 2025. Menominee Public Library had 79,287 in-person visits, an increase of 3.4% over 2024. 9,696 card holders, an increase of 3% over 2024. 271,305 items checked out, of which 26.5% were digital items. This is an increase of 16.5% over 2024. 19,081 Wi-Fi uses, this is an increase of 11% over 2024. 9,834 attendees at 338 programs, this is an increase of 20% over 2024. Watercolor painting of the Menominee Public Library building. Graphic 1 presentation progress bar slider previous page, left, button unavailable previous page out of button heading level 1. Library funding. Library revenue heading level 3. Library revenue selected. Heading level 2 library. Heading level 3 loading.
Library. And as you see, it does read it.
Library revenue. Library funding.
Need to get it to continue to read.
Clickable main landmark. Heading level 2 library funding. Heading level 3 Menominee Public Library received funding from 4 sources. County, with the second 4 sources. The majority of funds comes from Dun.
I need my commands here. Start reading.
County, with the second largest total from the city of.
No.
Navigation library.
Back to top.
Library expenses heading level 3. Menominee Public Library expense funds in 3. Menominee Public Library expense funds in 3. Categories: Library collection.
Okay.
In general, staffing expenses are they. Main landmark. Presentation progress
Okay.
bar slider 2.
And this is
Library funding
where,
heading level 2. Library revenue heading level 3. Menominee Public Library received funding from 4 sources. The majority of funds comes from Dunn County, with the second largest total from the city of Menominee. Lesser amounts are received from bordering county circulation reimbursements, and other sources such as donations and fundraising. Stacked bar chart comparing the 4 sources of library revenue across a 4-year span, 2022 through 2025. Dunn County, City of Menominee, other counties, other sources, 2022, 2023, 2024, 2025, 0, 200,000, 400,000, 600,000, 800,000, 1,120,000 $0 stacked bar chart comparing the 4 sources of library revenue across a 4-year span, 2022 through 2025. Graphic total 2025 revenue $1,085,768. Library expenses heading level 3. Menominee Public Library expense funds in 3 categories: staffing, general expenses, and on the library collection. In general, staffing expenses are the majority of the library's annual expenditures, followed by general expenses and finally collection purchasing. Stacked bar chart comparing the main library expenditure categories across the 4-year span of 2022 through 2025. Staffing, general expenses, collections 2022, 2023, 2024, 2025, 0, 200,000, 400,000, 600,000, 800,000, $1,120,000 stacked bar chart comparing the main library expenditure categories across the 4-year span of 2022 through 2025. Graphic total spent in 2025 $1,085,768. Note: numbers reflect information available at time of printing. Menominee Public Library logo with a graphic letter M placed over a stylized open book and the words Menominee Public Library. Graphic 2 presentation progress bar slider previous page. Exit NVDA dial MP.
and so you see that the screen reader does read down this quite nicely. I have not explored all of the details of using Canva charts, but it sounds like it actually reads elements from the Canva chart just fine without having to do additional alt text. So we can go back and make those changes if we want. Just a note that now that it is a live web page, you can go back to the Canva document and make edits. Just very quickly, I will do an example here where I'm like, oh, you know what? There's a period there. That should be a capital T. Everything else I think is good. I could go back and make those changes to the alternative text here. Maybe I'll actually remove the alternative text to see what happens. But I can remove that alternative text because it already seemed to have that. It knew what to do with that. What I need to do here is go back to the live website and publish changes. And it's going to prepare my design again. And when I come back to my main website and refresh it, you will see now that capital T has been corrected. You need to make sure you go in and republish your changes each time that you make a change in order for it to appear on the live site. But you can go ahead and make changes to your site, and when you publish those changes, or to your infographic, and when you publish those changes, it will automatically show up. So that's an overview of how to use Canva to make a screen reader friendly version of an infographic that you can add to your website. Begin with part 1 of this series where it talks about creating a full infographic using full words in the reading order, and then follow up with specifically a Canva's tools for doing the reading layers, remember to do positions, with the layers in reverse order. It has to be bottom up or up down, and then it will read it down on the screen reader side. And then adding in alt text and other information. The headings, you can add, when I added it was heading 2 library funding, heading 3 library revenue. A person with a screen reader would be able to navigate. They wouldn't have to listen to the entire description. They could jump right down to the library expenses and get that information. So this is an overview of how to create a screen reader friendly infographic in Canva. We will do more details on how to use Canva charts and how to have them be screen reader friendly, but this is a start, get you an overview, and Happy infographicing. Have a great day.